First, I prepare the dough. First, I prepare the dough. I add some tomato sauce on the surface of the dough. I add some tomato sauce on the surface of the dough. Then I add some mozzarella cheese. Then I add some mozzarella cheese. I add slices of salami too. I add slices of salami too. 2 different kinds of beef salami. 2 different kinds of beef salami. Then I add slices of tomato. Then I add slices of tomato. And a few capers. Some slices of onion. Some slices of onion. And some hot chili peppers. And some hot chili peppers. More mozzarella cheese on the top. More mozzarella cheese on the top. I add more grated cheese. I add more grated cheese. Then I put it in the oven. Then I put it in the oven. Now my pizza is ready. Then I slice my pizza. Then I slice my pizza. My family are very happy.